Hello viewers, this is Mani from MASSIC Creation channel and you are watching Vagrant and VirtualBox series. So in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create a multiple VM using Vagrant cloning concept. So already I have discussed about this concept over here. I have created one video, multiple VM creation using Vagrant. So I would strongly recommend you to watch this video first so that you would understand this video as well. Okay, so let me jump on to this concept right now. Okay, so this is my code over here. So I'm going to use this code in order to create the multiple VM. So this code will create around 4 VM. Okay, so and here you can see I have added one more additional parameter, that is vb.linked underscore clone equal to true. Okay, so the difference between this concept and the earlier concept is we are going to create a cloning VM first over here. So using this cloning VM, it will create a multiple VM. In earlier concept, I have used this code. Okay, so this is the simple for loop, and then I specified node equal to 3. And what it will do every time when the VM gets created, the image will get imported by default. But here in this code, instead of it will import the image only once for creating the cloning VM. Once the clone VM gets created, after that it will copy the cloning VM and it will create the multiple VM. Okay, let's dive into the action. Okay, let me switch back to the command line mode. So I am using the cmd terminal over here, and currently I am under a clone multi VM directory, and if I give ls, you can see Vagrant file over here. So I'm just using the same Vagrant file over here. Okay, so and I'm opening my VirtualBox over here. So right now I don't have any VM in my VirtualBox. Okay, so I'm just giving Vagrant up. Okay, sorry. Okay, so as you can see that it start creating the VM. So it will create 4 VM: control VM, app1, app2 and db1. And now it start importing the base box CentOS 8. So I'm using CentOS 8 image over here. So it start importing the image right now. So first it will create the cloning VM. So once it gets completed, using the cloning VM, it will start creating the control VM, app1 VM, app2 VM and the db1 VM. Okay, so you can see it start cloning this VM over here. So CentOS 8 is the cloning VM, and use CentOS 8 cloning VM, it start creating the control VM first. Okay, so now the VM has been started now. Okay, so now the control VM is completely up and running fine. So in another few minutes you can see it will start creating the app1 VM, and you will see the real difference over here. So instead of importing the CentOS 8 VM again, you can see it start cloning the VM. So again it will use the CentOS 8 Vagrant cloning VM, and it will create one more VM with the name app1 VM. So that is what you are seeing here. So this is the difference. So the same it will create for app2 and db1 as well. So you can see cloning VM here. So it will clone the VM and it will create and it will launch the VM over here. Okay, now app1 is completely up, so it will start app2 right now. Yeah, so it started the app2. So for app2 also it start cloning the VM. Okay, so app2 is also completed now. So I think now it will start db1. Yeah, db1 also is getting started now. So start cloning the VM. Okay, so all the VMs were up and running fine. Let me check the Vagrant status quickly now. Okay, so it shows all the 4 VMs were up and running fine. So control VM, app1, app2 and db1. Okay, and I will show you one more thing. So let me delete this VM first. Vagrant destroy -f. So basically Vagrant will use last in first out. So it will delete the first db1 and next app2, app1 and control VM. So it will start deleting the from the last VM. Okay. Okay, so start deleting the TP1, and next it will start app2. Yes. So after that it will start app1, I guess. Yes, app1. Now finally control VM. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it has deleted all the VM except the cloning VM. Yeah, so I'm not sure why Vagrant is not deleting this cloning VM. So manually we have to delete this one. So I will just right click it and then I will remove this one. Okay. So okay. So yeah, so that's it for now. So you can try this method, and it's so simple. So if you like this video, just share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And just if you have any other queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.